Today is the 21st of March 2023. It's pretty funny because how we got this out was pretty strange but humorous.
Yeah.
Today here in the Helsinki Sports School in Finland, nobody's coming. It's on Topeliuksenkatu, Topeliuksenkatu 31, stage B, and now we have filmed both of them here.
Yeah.
I did a 1 second video just in case in the stage A. Because I wasn't sure if I would be there. Well, I was, but I wasn't sure which stage it was. But now we have both of them.
Yeah.
And this was also modernized with Evergeen in the late 1990s, but we need to know when it was. And here it doesn't say when it was modernized.
Yeah.
So, civilization 2312 and was built in 1936 by Kone originally. We need to get that here later, but it was of course in the late 1990s.
Yeah.
Somewhere between 1997 and 99. 2 rides. It will be expected this year in 2023. Turn 85 years old in 2020.
Inspected parking-wise, maintained by Espoon Hissi.
The one building in Topeliuksenkatu, it also has to say, but it doesn't say the year, but then we found out it was 1996, 97.
Yeah.
So even that is possible here.
Mm.
'97 is possible then.
Yeah.
Maybe early '97.
Mm.
But we need to find the year later.
Yeah.
But I think this might also very well have been 96, 97 one.
Yeah.
Somewhere around it. Like the Topeliuksenkatu.
Yeah.
Where we need to stick to CSC. Where I was is the stage B. The gate here is beautiful. It's rare.
Yeah.
Better, of course.
Yeah.
And these are of course also the best possible Evergeen pictures.
Yeah.
Although they are quite slim, but even if they are a bit slim.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And you can watch the stake here as well.
That's